Hey guys, thank you so much for taking my call earlier. And I appreciate the time that you guys are taking to actually watch this video. And a special thanks to Kathy for giving me permission to shoot this video over to you guys. Now, I don't want to take too much of your time, okay? This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. Some people do call me back or contact me back after watching this video. Some don't, and whatever path you decide to take after watching this video is completely up to you, okay? Now, I know you guys are super busy running your restoration company, and but most business owners don't really know, or I should say, are informed on how the internet can bring them even more of that business, right? So they can free up their time, especially the business owners, and so they don't have to be there so much, right? Because they have a constant influx of business going. Okay. So first and foremost, I appreciate the website of how simple it is. I mean, there's not too much going on, and it's great, right? Unfortunately, Google doesn't care how pretty a website is, right? They care more about content. Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to talk about today. Okay, now content is just obviously the amount of words on a page. Okay, and then the keywords that are relevant to what you do, right? So if I were to copy all the words that you have here on your page and put it here on my word counter, and we're going to see exactly where you're at. So according to my tool here, you have 157 words on your home page here alone, okay? Now, Google counts an authoritative website to have anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, okay? On the home page alone. Okay, so you're a little bit shy. Even if you wanted to just cross that 1,000 word mark, that would definitely help you out. Okay, that would help Google find you a lot easier. Okay, and then obviously you'd want keywords in there that would help Google find you even more, kind of like the way I found you on here, restoration services, Bradenton, Florida. You would want to do restoration companies, Bradenton, fire damage, mold damage, stuff like that, and then add Bradenton, Florida at the end. Those are some keywords that you can utilize. Okay. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you about today is backlinks. Okay. Now, backlinks. I went on ahead and typed in your website here in my tool. This tool is called Ahrefs. Okay. Now, there are plenty of free tools out there that you can use. Obviously, I'm in the industry, so I'm paying for this one. But if you were to just go on Google and type in backlink checker for free, or keyword researcher for free, things like that, you could basically see what I'm seeing here. Okay, and what Ahrefs does kind of peels back the curtain to just kind of see what's going on in the background. Okay, it shows me some stats, breaks down some analytics, and it just kind of shows me exactly what's going on. Okay, now, according to my tool here, you have 21 referring domains, and basically what that is, in a nutshell, is just that there are 21 other websites that are pushing traffic to your website, okay? And backlinks are just the number of times that these websites are pushing traffic to you, okay? So you have 21 websites pushing traffic to you, and they're doing so 133 times, okay? You have one organic keyword on your entire website. You have 0 people, roughly, and then this is just an average, okay? People visiting your website per month, bringing you $0 in traffic value. Obviously, you don't have anybody visiting your website as often, so you're not getting that much value. Now, these are your local competitors, or one of them, I should say. So as you can see here, I went on ahead and did the same thing, right? Flood Pro USA, and this is their Bradenton branch. Okay. So as you can see here, they have 129 referring domains, so 129 websites that are linking to them that are pushing traffic, and they're doing so 897 times. Okay, they have 1,100 organic keywords on their entire website, bringing them a total of 696 people on average to visit this URL per month. Okay, and they're bringing them a total of $3,700 in traffic value. Okay, now basically what this is telling me, right, is that there's a lot of money that you're leaving on the table, for your competitors to take, okay? Especially now, since we're going into a recession, like getting more clients, constantly having an influx of customers is exactly what your company is going to need, right? And other restoration companies in Bradenton, just all together. Okay, so if I were to click on his referring domains, or these guys' referring domains, you can see here that the one that's pushing the most traffic is this one right here. All right, and it was set up on October 5th, 2018. It It's bringing them a lot of traffic, right? 200 of those 696 that we saw are coming from this website alone. So I'd kind of just skim through here and see which ones are worth actually using, and then using them yourself, okay? Because the good thing about these backlinks is that if they're good enough to rank and bring traffic to your competitors, well, then they're good enough to do the same thing for you, okay? Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about today are citations. Okay, now a citation is anywhere that your business can be found on a directory. Okay, and a directory can be yellow pages, you've got white pages, you've got Yelp, Home Advisor, and Angie's List. Right, just right off the top of my head, those are 5 different directories that you can put your business on. Okay, now what that allows is that for you to so that you can be found here in the map pack. Okay, now the more citations you have, right, the better your placement in this map pack is. Okay, now if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? This is where most people go and spend their money, here in this map pack, right? Regardless of their location, you know, as long as they're in the area of Bradenton, Florida, and if you have more citations than your competitors, then you're going to take this this number 1 spot here. Okay, so if ServPro West Bradenton has anywhere between, I don't know, 150, 200 different citations, well, then I'd want to one up them, right? To go up to 250 or 300, just to ensure that I'm constantly dominating and taking this number 1 spot from them. Okay. Now, with that being said, you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So just to kind of backtrack, the first thing you're going to want to do is just increase your content, right? So ensuring that you have at least 1,000 words so that you're more visible on Google, right? Getting those referring domains and the backlinks from your competitors, ensuring that you're outranking them so that you can take this number 1 spot here. And then lastly, citations, right? You want to be number 1 here so to ensure that you're getting all the calls, you're getting all the messages, people are visiting your website, seeing what you guys are all about, and essentially becoming clients, okay? Now, you can do all of this yourself, obviously do all the research and ensure that you're getting all those backlinks, citations, and all that stuff done. If you're looking to outsource help in any way, I have worked with restoration companies here and all along the U.S. I have a few here in New Mexico already, which is where I'm from. So if you were needing to outsource any help in any way, I can do whatever I can to guide you in any way, okay? Well, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, guys. I appreciate your time, and you all have a wonderful day.